Every headline feels like something pulled straight from a sci-fi movie. Rockets are being designed to fly back and forth like taxis. Computers are solving problems that used to take centuries, and biotech is blurring the line between life and death. The future isn't creeping up on us, it's arriving at full speed. Today, we're rediving into 15 jaw-dropping technologies of 2025 that are set to completely change the way we live, work, and even think about being human. Buckle up, because by the end, you might not look at the future the same way again. Number 15. Time Shift Cryopreservation Facility. First, a quick disclaimer. What I'm about to discuss involves some serious science and technology, but it also touches upon ethical dilemmas and possibilities that can make things a bit uncomfortable. You can skip to the next point if you like, but here's a good chance to explore some ideas that might challenge what you think about life, death, and the future. All right then. When someone dies, their body begins to decompose quickly. Within hours, bacteria starts breaking down the tissues. Within days, the body is unrecognizable. But what if instead of letting nature take its course, we could preserve the body in an ultra-low temperature state? That's exactly what cryopreservation offers. It's a technique where the human body is rapidly cooled to extremely low temperatures, typically using liquid nitrogen. This slows down the chemical processes in the body drastically, effectively putting it on pause. The idea is that this frozen state prevents the body from further decomposition, maintaining its integrity until a future point in time when medical science might be advanced enough to revive such a person. This isn't science fiction. It's happening. There's a place called the Time Shift Cryopreservation Facility. And while it might sound like something out of a sci-fi movie, it's a very real place where people go to literally put their lives on pause. Located in Scottsdale, Arizona, Time Shift is one of several organizations worldwide offering cryopreservation services. So how does it work? Well, when someone signs up for cryopreservation, their blood is replaced with a special solution. This helps to prevent ice crystals from forming in the body, which could cause damage if they were to expand as the body warms up. The body is then lowered into a chamber filled with liquid nitrogen, which is kept at a temperature of approximately negative 196 degrees Celsius. The boiling point of liquid nitrogen. Once inside the chamber, the body is placed in a protective container made of plastic or fiberglass, and the container is sealed. The entire process takes several hours. But what happens after that? The short answer is nothing much. The body is kept in a state of suspended animation, neither decaying nor alive. It's like a pause button has been pressed. Those who oversee the cryopreservation facility claim that one day, technology may allow us to thaw these frozen individuals and potentially bring them back to life. But this is far from certain. There are many ethical and logistical questions surrounding the revival of frozen humans, and it remains to be seen whether such a thing will ever be possible. In the meantime, the frozen individuals remain in their slumbering state. It's a strange concept, and one that many find controversial. But for those who believe in the possibility of future medical advancements, cryopreservation offers a glimmer of hope that one day death might not be the end. No. 14. Rocket Lab's Neutron. Since time began, humans have looked to the sky and dreamed of adventure among the stars. Now, thanks to breakthroughs in technology, space exploration is no longer just a dream, but a growing reality. One company at the forefront of this revolution is Rocket Lab, based in the picturesque seaside town of Huntington Beach, California. This innovative company has been quietly developing a spacecraft that promises to change the future of space travel. It's called the Neutron, and it's a fully reusable orbital rocket. Unlike its competitors, the Neutron is designed to be launched and landed multiple times, significantly reducing the cost of space travel. But it's not just the reusability that makes the Neutron so special. The rocket's payload bay is unusually wide. It's a feature that makes it ideal for launching the satellite mega constellations that are powering the next generation of internet and communications. This opens up a world of possibilities for those who want to do business in space. But the Neutron isn't just about practicality and affordability. It's also about pushing the boundaries of what's possible. The rocket is being designed to be launched by a machine rather than humans, eliminating the risk of loss of life during launch. This technological marvel is expected to make its debut in 2025. It's sure to be a game-changer in the world of space exploration. Just as the Wright brothers changed the way we travel on Earth, Rocket Lab's Neutron is poised to change the way we explore the universe. Who knows what wonders await us in the vast expanse of space? But with the Neutron, we're one step closer to finding out. No, 13. The dull vortex. The relentless pursuit of speed and efficiency has been a driving force in human innovation for centuries. As we continue to push the boundaries of what's possible, we constantly seeking ways to improve upon existing technologies and break through barriers that were once thought impossible to breach. Take, for instance, the field of aerospace engineering. For decades, scientists and designers have been working tirelessly to develop aircraft that can travel faster, higher and further than ever before. One of the latest and most promising developments in this field is the experimental concept known as the dull vortex, a revolutionary approach to aircraft design that promises to redefine the future of high-speed travel. At first glance, the dull vortex may not appear particularly groundbreaking. It looks like a standard supersonic jet, complete with wings, tail, and cockpit. However, what sets it apart from other aircraft is its unique method of propulsion. Instead of using traditional engines, the dull vortex harnesses the power of vortex flow to generate thrust and lift. By manipulating the airflow around the aircraft, the dull vortex is able to achieve speeds that were previously thought unattainable, all while consuming significantly less fuel than conventional aircraft. This is due to the fact that vortex flow creates a boundary layer of air that reduces drag and increases lift, allowing the aircraft to maintain high speeds while minimizing fuel consumption. But the benefits of the dull vortex go beyond just speed and efficiency. The aircraft is also equipped with advanced avionics and AI-powered flight systems that allow for precise control and maneuverability, making it capable of operating in a wide range of conditions. Additionally, the aircraft's flexible airframe is designed to withstand the extreme forces and temperatures associated with high-speed flight, ensuring the safety and reliability of the aircraft. With the dull vortex, we're just beginning to scratch the surface of what's possible. As researchers continue to refine and improve this groundbreaking concept, we can expect to see even greater feats of speed, efficiency, and maneuverability, pushing the boundaries of aerospace engineering to new heights. Number 12. AIA-EUV lithography. In the ever-evolving field of microchip manufacturing, the quest for smaller, faster, and more efficient processors has led to incredible innovations that have changed the way we use technology. One of the latest and most exciting developments in this field is EUV lithography, a groundbreaking technology that promises to revolutionize the way chips are designed and manufactured. At its core, EUV lithography is a process used to create the intricate patterns on silicon wafers that make modern electronic devices possible. Traditionally, this has been done using photolithography, a process that uses ultraviolet light to etch designs onto wafers. However, as transistors have gotten smaller and more powerful, this method has become increasingly difficult to scale. Enter EUV lithography, which uses extreme ultraviolet light to etch designs onto wafers with even greater precision. But what makes this technology so special? EUV lithography stands out for two key reasons. First, it uses a high numerical aperture NA lens that allows for a larger depth of focus, meaning that the etching process can be more accurate and efficient. Second, it uses a high-powered EUV light source that generates shorter wavelengths, allowing for even tinier transistors. The result is a microchip with more transistors packed into a smaller space, leading to improved performance and efficiency. One of the biggest challenges in developing EUV lithography was creating a light source powerful enough to generate the necessary EUV light. However, recent advancements in laser technology have made this possible, opening the door to a new era of microchip manufacturing. Companies like ASML are at the forefront of this innovation, developing cutting-edge machines that use EUV lithography to create the world's most advanced microchips. No 11 magnetic pixels. In the ever-evolving world of display technology, scientists and engineers are constantly pushing the boundaries of what's possible, striving to create images that are brighter, sharper, and more vibrant than ever before. One of the latest and most exciting developments in this field is magnetic pixels, a revolutionary technology that promises to change the way we interact with displays. Magnetic pixels, also known as magnetic liquid displays, are a type of display that uses magnetic liquid. a specialized substance that exhibits properties of both liquids and magnets to create images. These displays consist of tiny magnetic particles suspended in a carrier fluid, which can be manipulated using magnetic fields to create a variety of effects. One of the most exciting aspects of magnetic pixels is their versatility. They can be used to create a wide range of display effects, including classic static images, dynamic animations, and even interactive displays that respond to touch or other inputs. Another major advantage of magnetic pixels is their energy efficiency. Because they use magnetic fields to manipulate the particles, they consume far less energy than traditional displays, making them an attractive option for a wide range of applications. One of the potential applications of magnetic pixels is in the development of wearable devices such as smartwatches or fitness trackers. Their flexibility and low energy consumption make them ideal for use in small, compact devices where space and power are at a premium. Magnetic pixels could also be used to create interactive displays in retail stores or museums, providing customers and visitors with a more engaging and immersive experience. Overall, magnetic pixels represent a significant leap forward in display technology, offering a versatile, energy-efficient alternative to traditional displays. As the technology continues to develop, we can expect to see magnetic pixels used in a wide range of applications, transforming the way we interact with displays and the information they present to us. Number 10. Micron's memory breakthrough. In an era where data is becoming increasingly valuable, the need for faster, more efficient, and more secure methods of storing and processing information is more important than ever. This is especially true in the fields of artificial intelligence, cloud computing, and high-performance computing, where vast amounts of data need to be processed and stored in real time. At the forefront of this revolution is Micron Technology, a leading provider of memory and storage solutions. The company has recently announced a series of groundbreaking advancements in memory,